faster, but the speed is only so much. After worn out, there's a nice little straight coming up, but after this you can make a left, I'll tell you where.
Yeah.
But this thing freaking rips.
Yeah, it definitely does. It's stock turbo too, so.
We still didn't even go over the mods yet.
Let's do a quick little.
We got a little bit here and then it curves.
Let's get this Benz behind me.
Jesus. All right, real quick, talk about the mods before we make this left up here. What mods we got in
it's
here?
a 2017 340. I have a VSRF downpipe, dual res delete, and just an MST intake.
And MHD tune.
Oh, MHD's tune.
Stage what?
Stage 2 plus. But this car, in 2017, the high pressure fuel pump was not the best, so I took the high pressure fuel pump off an A90 Supra.
Ooh.
And I can, push
All right,
more.
green light. Here we go. You're gonna show us how much this thing has. We got both cameras rolling. Oh man. Oh yeah. Woo! This thing pulls. Alright, slow down. You gotta make a left up here. This thing pulls. This feels good.
I did the brakes on this, but they're so noisy. Woo! I did like ceramic pads and like slotted and drilled rotors, but they make a lot of noise, but they would stop really good.
When you got power like this, you want to stop.
It's a heavy car, so it's awesome. No, and it's awesome.
Driven District. Go to drivendistrict.com. Pick up some merch. Performance parts. I can't talk.
Exactly. Shoot. Eat these guys.
Man, this thing. Feels
Yeah, you
nice.
gotta feel it, dude. I want you to drive it, and you'll
It
definitely.
feels nice.
It's awesome.
It makes me want to get the Evo up, and we gotta jump start that.
Yeah, so I wasn't in. It cuts power when even though it's all-wheel drive, it's still like cuts power.
I kept forgetting that's all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
But it's cool when I shut it off though. But the transfer case begs for mercy.
Yeah. Oh, you got a curve left over here. That is awesome. That is awesome.
It's definitely a fun car. My front. See, like the auto rev matches off when I'm in DSC. So let me show you the anti-lag real quick. So
all right.
You hold the reserve button on this wheel and you floor it and then let go of this button and it just takes off. So you hold the button, floor it.
There we go. Dude, that feels awesome.
Yeah, no, it's fun.
I'm probably like non-stop smiling like
that's awesome,
this whole
dude.
time. That is awesome.
Yeah, this B58 motor, dude, it's such an awesome car, and I wanted the 4 doors, and it had to be a manual because there's a lot
of, yeah, you know what I mean, like that engagement.
Yeah, no,
like the DST,
there's something
DCT.
fun
I mean,
about, like, it's cool.
No,
doing
it
the
is
paddles,
like this
but
thing with the DCT, the Volkswagen with the DSGs. Like I've driven them, they're fun. They're fast. They're faster, but speed is only so much. Like you lose, to me personally, you lose the driving engagement in a manual. I went from a Golf R with like 400 horse to a 124 Spider with 174 horse. I'll fucking pull it here. Let's pull it here real quick. Pull a fucking
what the hell is this?
What do you call?
Is that a speed bump? That's crazy.
Yeah, you'll be fine going over that. All right.